What is sodium? Sodium and potassium work together on the water balance in the body, the transmission of nerve signals, muscle contraction and maintaining a healthy heart rate. Cases that require vitamin, mineral supplementation. Most types of food provide us with a much larger amount than the amount necessary for the body, since the daily intake rate of sodium is 3 to 7 grams per day. The need to add sodium is rare in areas with a temperate climate, even if the diet is low in salt. However, there are some cases that may require the addition of sodium, such as the following. To prevent sunstroke due to the loss of sodium due to excessive sweating. Diarrhea. Vomiting. Deficiency symptoms. Sodium deficiency due to diet is very rare. The deficiency usually stems from cases in which the body's loss of sodium increases, the most prominent of which include the following. 1. Early symptoms of sodium deficiency. The most prominent early symptoms include the following. Exhaustion. Contractile movements in the muscles. Dizziness. Vomiting. 2. Dangerous symptoms of sodium deficiency. In serious cases, there may be a sharp drop in blood pressure, which may cause confusion. The disorder. Fainting. The heartbeat quickens. Symptoms and risks in case of overdose. Consuming an excessive amount of sodium may cause the following. High blood pressure. Increased risk of heart failure. Fluid retention that leads to dizziness, swelling of the face and legs. Pharmaceutical preparations. Sodium is diffused in the following forms. Ordinary table salt, sodium chloride. Sodium lactate. Sodium lactate is a drug that is given intravenously. Sodium phosphate is a laxative that can only be given by prescription. Sodium bicarbonate, which is also called by the common name soda ash, or washing soda, is found in antacids, which are sold without prescriptions. Sources. Sodium is present in almost all types of food, either as a natural compound or as a compound that is added in the food manufacturing process. The main sources of sodium are the following. Table salt. Processed food. Cheeses. Bread. Cereals. Meat. Smoked fish. Canned food. Olives. Water that has been subjected to the softening process, water softening, i.e. the process of reducing the concentration of calcium or magnesium ions in heavy water, such as those containing mineral salts at a high percentage. The dosage is determined individually depending on the nature of the symptoms and their severity. In many cases of sodium deficiency, intravenous sodium chloride injection is required. Types of foods that contain vitamin, mineral. Red meat. Fish. Bread and cereals. Pulses. Green vegetables. Fruits. Liver. Eggs. Walnut. Chickens. Milk. Cheese.